So this is the installation for the Midea U. The model I have is the 8000 BTU, but I would imagine that it's the same for the 10,000 as well as the 12,000. The first thing you need to do is to install the brackets. Here you can see that I have it already in place, and then I screw it into the side of my window on the right hand side. And here I screw it into the left hand side as well. For my window, it's a little bit different. In this illustration, you can see that the brown thing is my wall. The green is the brace. The red is the stone that's coming out of my window. So what happened was that the bracket could not touch the wall. So I have to improvise by putting the 2x4, which is you can see in the yellow right here. That way now the green is sitting on top of my window sill, and then the other green is touching the 2x4 and touching the wall. Release the screw so that way you can pull out the support later. Here I'm pulling out the support already. So this is from the top side looking down. Here you can see I pull the bar for support, for increased support. And then I screw and then I put the screw back in. I put the foam that was given, and then I pull the support out, and then I tighten it with a screw. On the bottom, you can see that there's some holes, and this is not great because you're letting the cool air escape or the hot air coming in. So I use additional foam to block those holes down the bottom. Alright, hope you enjoyed your new Midea U unit. It is extremely quiet and I love it. It was a great replacement from the other AC that was making a lot of noise, and this is a great addition in the bedroom.